My name is Megan Flynn. I am in the auto mechanics program at MITT. Taking a system apart and figuring out how to fix it up made me realize that the auto mechanics program was something that would be ideal for me to do. The vibe that I got from the website was it was education so that you could start working as soon as possible. It's been a lot of working on our vehicles, learning in a really practical way. The textbook introduces us to the subject, and then we come in and get to see it in person and then get to figure out how to use the tool properly or how to take apart whatever system that we're working on. It's a fantastic program that is making me feel ready to start working in the industry, so it's definitely something that I would recommend.